need to know. You carry pikin come abroad, every child get their own life to live. And mostly say no be all this posh job, na normal job wey be say you can't clean, you can't do, e dey exhausting. And as a grandmother and as a well experienced woman, you no get health issue. At least maximum age of retirement is 67. You never even reach your 60s. Why do you want to sit at home? Even if
They
it's
said she
2
never reached
days,
60 years old.
even if it's just 2 days a week, get something doing. You can't expect your daughter wey still get her own child to look after, to just carry your responsibility whereby you are still deemed fit to work. So
With
all
her
these
appearance, she
things,
not sure say she get any disability because she dey twerk.
na
She
me
dey
dey
twerk
talk.
like
So
to
I
get.
say she no get any health issue. So why did she decide not to work? Just to give her daughter more stress? What is her gain?
The
Only
pikin
one
say
thing
not get any health
stress.
issue. The pikin say not get any health issue.
Thank
You
you, mommy
understand?
fitness. Thank you,
And she
fitness
come
coach. Thank you,
carry,
mommy.
and she come carry her daughter come out, make people dey cause her enemy, dey do all those kind things. So what is her profit? This issue should have been easily avoided. I wish she just respect her own daughter's home. I wish she just respect her own daughter's home.
Eh,
You understand? You go UK wey be say you are allowed
Thank you
to
for
do
the
3
gift.
days a
Oh.
week, and you can still work your money and be doing fine. Okay, you come meet your daughter and you know say she's a young lady. She's young. She get pikin, responsibility e dey, bills dey. So you can't expect her to make she just live the life that deem fit you and forget about herself and her own child.
Thanks for the gift. Oh.
You understand? So I no understand why she can't bring all these issues. You go police come involve. At least you are just see, the more things she no withdraw the case, the more she dey create more problem for her only child. And if that girl fall into depression, something go wrong, what will she tell the world? Wetin she use her pikin by social media?
Slap you now, eh?
Some mother needs to understand. Sometimes there are limits to things. There are limits to. I no support the daughter say make go stab the mama, or I no support that one. But that
At all.
both of them need therapy.
Two of
Both
them,
of them
they
need
get
therapy
blamed for the
because
issue.
there is a big anger in that girl, a very big one. This is just a tip of the iceberg. You know, say for she to stab am, na
Yeah.
warning. Na warning o. Na so they take dey knife their people, their parents. When they see say e dey happen, they say
Because no parental love no dey.
You
Motherly love
understand?
no
They say no
dey.
gbijewa because that anger has been built.
Oh, thank you, Edo daughter. Thank you. I appreciate all the
They
gifters.
both, Edo daughter, thank you. They both need the therapy to sort out the anger issue and the misunderstanding they both have.
Yeah.
You understand? Maybe you be say the matter go just end because no me here do Iyenukokomon. They don't know where Yahara. You understand? This thing.
For try make it work things out.
Who are
How
they?
this gospel reach like this?
You understand? The girl is already angry. A lot of stress, many things they pissed her off.
Only you want to go UK, come. You not carry
And you
bag of
come back,
money,
you not carry bag of money come. Apart from that one, you come. You
come.
come their home.
They disturb the peace of the house.
The most annoying part, the mother come to the house, they disrespect their own home. They do all day live video morning till evening. Children dey the house, pikin dey the house. For goodness sake, there are limits to things. You don't have to do it in your daughter's home. You just have to respect her own privacy also. She's human. You born pikin come this one, not be say not be human being, not get your own life. Sometimes all this more pure, more terminal say it dey spoil many relationship between parents and their children. So
You
may
know
they
what
just
women
go, may
people
just
don't do?
let, may just no now worry over anything now, may just try that the matter down. You see where she dey get and rush, she dey shout say Frank collect the pikin. You don't spoil the good relationship with your daughter. Now you dey blame
Exactly.
another person. E no go work like that. Don't come dey lay blame.
You know what? Now the recent fight now people want follow, but where the story for start now me queen they follow.
Because issue don already dey. The girl is already sick
This
and
woman,
tired.
Iyenukokomon, has been failing this girl right from she dey Africa. She has failed her daughter. Iyenukokomon supposed to work hand in hand to make sure say she and her daughter they manage good relationship. Because many of una way they look us where they talk for social media. Una not know say we said they get some family issues what they sort. Family issues they what they sort. Sometimes me and my elder sister we go bless how they get some issues. Me not day meeting. If you see say I have sent for meeting 2 times for meeting, she will come suffer call me. Now she offend me. She will come call me. You can't say don't do now. You see the verse. You know why? Because I don't want me to disrespect her. This life, people don't know how to manage misunderstanding. Sometimes maybe now you be senior, now you be junior. A problem here environment, here na ya manage baking here. Ije go manage over here go manage ije. If you know how to manage yourself, you where your mama carry come, you will carry your pikin come. You know, as a social media family, outside and not come they put mat. And you where you they cry for comment section say, this one he not concern us. Wait till we see for public. Now public will see put in our opinion. Or my normal now go ye or if you matter go you over. Also, when I beg or say that now, on buy na. Now not see the way they say that they live their life. It good. It good. Who to be blamed? This recent one, so I yes say that go they fight. He go they fight for his brother and Percy get fight. Beyond the name of say a godmother me no. Mene queen a godmother me ye me o. Ana do me we paravesha can't get godmother for social media. You and my blood person, even though that cousin, let alone say blood brother, with the gay issue, 12 na the gay issue. Iya itiwa wowa, itra niwa doloyo. Inside we are they fight to make peace with una no one agree. Okon waya gege gbele gbugwa, igwanyo, I go come body. Not the one way as I tell you, say that can they join godmother the saga in your own brother. Beg on your see yana ye. So it's not by audion press over can press audion. May we not the two they wash our dirty linens outside. Oni naga oni. Anita, if you want to contribute, you won't continue. The platform is still open for you.
Just get
Mama pikin, they get blame, but Iyenukokomon now he make things escalate. Then we
let me want try give Iyenukokomon.
Then you can ready. I near where gabo you go where ya fee. Gile when the fravito kai o ye gile where ya but you for suffering when why ko wa little ni. O why ko gbene gbe. Now you know that you want to put your account number for there, you they do your thing. You they respect your pikin for years where you day. Not the time where your pikin take need rest, you want to calm my brain. Not the time where your pikin of where bad winner, where tis they get you wa, then we have you one we live video. Why was again here I don't know do you now submit they do to my children. If I say sometimes I'll do live video. Before my children go come, I go off live video. One thing I
want to see is like a dominant control. The mother want make she dey control the daughter's life, of which she not go work. Because one, she's in her home, and you know they respect her home, and you know they respect her own family. See, mother, Iyenukokomon, if you dey hear this one, this is your only child. One more way. Just let this matter die, and you guys should go and sit down and sort yourself out, because imanidwamwe bogbogin wiwe osaloba gilida sunu dabi weni wenya heka do jasina and two, the daughter should let out that anger. She should go and seek therapy, because there's a lot of anger in her. She and the mother no fit stay together again, so Iyenukokomon need to give her own space so that respect go dey. If Iyenukokomon still dey the same roof with her daughter, more problem go still dey. So for peace to reign, even though if na sharing space, make Iyenukokomon go find, make she
But don't separate them already. But don't give them yard. That if the
make she withdraw the case from her for the
if the mother they call now, I thought they call
How
too.
they want to comot case for court now, police station?
yes,
How
the
they want
mother
to comot
should
share for the
withdraw
pikin
the
leg?
case. Yes, she can withdraw the case if the board is on her court.
What the apple? What the little this injury? This are an injury for her. The man don't separate them finish. The woman don't. The wife, the kid don't go. So later, now the mother carry her blood down. Pray to from Victor another day. Now you use that eat grant. Whoa, that kid say they destroy my thing and get it wrong. Come back again. Eat grant my mother again. Her mother can't hold her daughter for neck. Don't want to defend herself like go use that.
Okay, now she take inflict injury on her.
Yes.
But as a mother, you should not let your anger overshadow your motherly love. Sometimes you have to control it. You understand? Sometimes kids can push you to your limits, and you can push your own child to her own limits. But for the daughter to dey house arrest and all of this still going on in court, there is nothing she's going to gain for it. If they jail
And
her
now
child,
when
what will
social
she
media
gain?
don't enter their blood, this advice is
There
for
is
you
nothing
guys.
she will gain for it, because if the case proceed and they can't give the daughter sentence, what is her benefit and what is her gain? There is nothing she will
Oh,
gain.
now
She
when
just
social
have
media
to
don't
close
enter on
the
her
case.
blood,
She have to close the case, and they sort out their peace. You understand? Because
so
when social media now is for according
Iyenukokomon now go live video everyone 1 minute and 1 second.
according to the name in Yoruba with social media, Iyenukokomon all sase no buy auto enough for her. You understand? That's what makes her Iyenukokomon. So I know an assault say e don put her, say she tried to kill her because using a knife, a weapon, is deadly. So that one na big case. So for her daughter not to go to jail, because she might go to jail, they might give her jail, because that knife is an evidence wey the mother use for her daughter. But one thing Iyenukokomon need to know, any of you wey read newspaper wa again that they will even blame me for bad parenting. You understand? Now she don't come blame as a bad parenting or pay fine or most other things. So Iyenukokomon, you'll be well
No,
aware
no,
o,
but
one money. You'll be well
we
aware
dey talk
because
about for year.
no
They no go release
normal
that case anytime
dori
soon,
enu
no
I
go
want more
close
than
that case, so
me so
wetin e don wey they don already show, and when she go hospital
So
we dey
my
comment.
lady, so if my man for daughter say he that high, he go fetch you for what pass that one. Not be knife. No one not be.
no, I know says according to her allegation, you
Yes,
understand, make she
allegation,
lay
yes,
bed on
allegation.
her daughter. But
Yes.
Iyenukokomon need to know, make she let go. Bomo pa wait, no gwa
Let me go na ya pay fine. Okay, that means say go for me. Iyenukokomon ve kokore ove mo bisare yo to.
I just tired as in never made the devil mommy show when you have to be nice. So we see one thing if we dey say we want emulate Oyibo lifestyle, Oyibo and their people dey fight, they quarrel. they go destroy everything,
Iyenukokomon no
but
fit
they no go
Nigeria.
lock their pikin for jail.
Not be way pikin there for house arrest 9.
If you the family they help.
Who is the uncle?
I don't know.
Now my own
Lady
they
J
help me.
mute inside though. Lady J mute inside. Anita said not the echo. Anita talk.
So wetin I see.
Oh, I go back.
Ini Aborie or there's and you don't know say if
You dey help. You dey echo. Go tell me to come up.
Echo. No,
Yeah,
she don't mute. She don't
Okay.
mute. You don't mute. Anita, continue. Yeah.
okay, as I dey talk, so if her daughter can't get criminal record, e go spoil her name for chances of job. So what will she gain from it? She's not going to gain anything from it. All the social media is to teach people how to parent, how to be a good. Not be this one where they help they do. Then I be Europe. I give you more. Egbe wa wo me. Huh? I give you me I can give more.
She carry her daughter account. She feel say maybe if the daughter go dey do, she go dey decide. No, say no children for
No, you
Africa.
can't. No. You can't decide. You carry your pikin come. She gets her own life to live. Oyibo age of pension is 67, and you are not 67. So you are not too old now. Go and work. Get something doing. Your daughter, you should, according to that voice, no, see the job where her daughter they do is exhausting. So where is the okay? You can do name a UK knowledge. I will make 5,000, I will make 10,000. Parce que moi le mourir
For me, I got it. My modin war. Oh, my modin. Iyenukokomon, Aki ave the rugwe. Me no, I never the toga ya afie gambo.
If I don't see one thing about criminal cases, like where people they try avoid, make they not get case. Whether you travel, come off from the country where that issue for happen, for go another country, your file that thing already dey system. Whether now another country you want go for place of work, that record don't dey system. Once you show your ID, the tap and must come out. So may Iyenukokomon rest. Because if she continues say daughter carrying and then you go dey the daughter record say she be violent person, she dey use weapon. So when you take it easy. Because I like cases in the Bona where I more we bro the problem and so far they defend. It no make sense. Mania. We bore no live a life for her. No take be life in opportunity to go marry we bear not dry slavery or no modern slavery. As she comes, let her live her life, let her work, teach her to save her own personal money. We may again not be the one where we got to unusual boy. It doesn't go down way like that. Even when Nigerian head down way. When I'm here where Momo Nigeria date, or you work away boy, I seen one. When Momo no dear we bono don't live a life over, not live a life agbo, not live a life able, not live a life in a good security, the country in a good security. Then why are you stressing your own child? Why can't you just live your own life? At least you make your you can still have a boyfriend. If we man make basket muskes one, they still get boyfriend. You go and live your life, your daughter will be living her life. Do I give up my problem? Is it convenience? Is stressful? Okay, or we were complaining. Okay, where you was every job and not was every job.
Mona power tap, oh, thank you guys for the gift, oh. Mona power tap, guys. Mona power tap.
Me all this year where they don't take. I will take her. Maybe I take it easy. May they take am easy. Agbona ayigo ado ya resi aye. Na mulele
God
gbe
bless
ho.
you now. Oh, we not go be victim. Oh, I don't understand. Oh, those days they carry children they come. Oh,
No wa so no wa
I
go
don't know
really no
what
mo
they happen now. There's always Jay-Z. Ije, omo. Una wey still be children, more than they respect una mama. I care or more change kiana. A boyfriend to go and break up. Why would you go see her? Some of una say they want to the ship blame to una mama. Me wa no lelo bi adori aduro neve jeni jo mu ere. E de na ni anene baby papa mu eje koti. O ma mi o ma daji.
That's why when their relationship are coming now, too much interference. Too much interference. Anybody interfere in relationship or go well, or you know they break it where out already out of this
Na me
or they do sorry console who say.
Na me queen go sit talk and say relationship wey wan break go break, not be mama and papa dey cause am. Relationship wey go stand. A relationship in Oria, whether the mama interfere, papa no interfere. Me bono say black woman always a mother-in-law or father-in-law. You that some mama they want make their pikin go follow Oyibo. If your pikin not like Oyibo, let her be. But the truth still remain. You when I see the children, the fact say Iyenukokomon don't fuck up. You not feel back stand for your pikin. That says he go to Iyenukokomon pikin. Wabi adio go ni jugwa. So vero agbodo na bi atemata. Ijiyan, iya adio go ni jiyan. So vero okay, your mama not like who you they follow. I mean everything has sense. You don't need to disrespect your mama in presence of your husband, your baby papa or whatever. Only mavegba. You when I see the mama, you don't see need to the work mommy. Iyawe ke no ma gi agbon ye e mata mo boje we be na ya disgwagwa iye sharon till tomorrow a baby papa anawe baby papa as a available offense, but it's not fair. Anawe baby papa as a available offense e ke no ma gi agbon you so e mata je, but it's fine o so lo ba bere dan doge.
Wow.
So my Iyenukokomon Riabe, but the daughter was still very wrong on her own.
Yes.
Dog I'm wishing it can we no mukia.
Exactly, both of them, yeah, Eva, both of them, they are wrong.
Because economic get some children they disrespect their mama too much.
But in your way, wrong.
If they break up with their baby papa, don't say that the mama cause am. It's a God in my even of man now. Even a family member no one made their pikin marry. Pikin wey wan marry go marry. A relationship in go away family or say family or see eh. Mais si go mother make family must see eh. A baby papa. Family or see eh.
Yeah, to be here, right? What is the social media?
Social media. Where's a guy? May go sit down.
Oh, yeah,
we know. Monica na gbon fi na emi fi na fi emi eki. Ma gbon Monica ki no gun gbe Monica. No ge no jima fe gbe.
Why she even carry her pikin come out? You see, Anna, Emma Kekenya Begge. You know, you can even though if it's 200 pounds, 300 pounds every month for the months and for the years when she spends, she not carry money come.
I wait. You know what it is? He just said up proof. I went to the same money give him when in the UK. Others said they are giving Monica.
Who beg then Iyenukokomon ye go
Amami approve no where you send the go. Obi ma ri ya go. Ma what all do keep it.
Well, okay, as she can't do her so now, she did say she dey repair the relationship and she dey make her worse. Did they make her worse? Did they make her worse? The more she
Monica no
sees.
escalate matter. Monica ma gbonyenki.
Some mothers, I don't understand
Monica. Ogun anagbe Monica no sun wu wa gbon. E Monica no ji ma fe gbe, un da no gba be. O fi awu wa gbon ogun ogbo Monica wa ajun jemere. Iba bo laju egbe Monica. A family problem nínú yari go be social media o ga gbo Monica wa de fa gwa. Ogun ogbe Monica ogba Brucey. Oh worry abagbon un da no gba be. E Monica no ma eku e. Oh worry ya. Wa sun wu. Iwa bo ki an lawe gbe Monica wa de fa gwa. I dey come.
Iyanike gwogia ya hara orioge ikpe. Iyenukokomon obi wela wa no me ha dori enu no get one go give you your own no. It's so to go sad tomorrow. Now this social media, if you still cry, come out, they go still mock her. Make she know.
Why beva wo now everybody well done. Go man. Small word we want contribute for this woman matter. We say to start with, we need to talk for the both side. To start with, the daughter, supposed carry knife no matter what the mother do, which we ourselves we don't know what happen. You understand? We don't really know the cocoa for inside this matter.
They swear for pikin.
You understand?
Hey Monica, Abba, not be every month Abba they do abortion.
So the
not
thing,
be every month Monica daughter they do abortion.
So waiting at the Mama Queen, waiting at they try to talk, be say no matter waiting the mother go do, the daughter not supposed to carry knife. Say one go make they start be mother. It's not fair. You know good.
That's the call they put for that one.
You understand? So for that one, your try. And for the own mother own too, where be say you go day house, say that yes, now the pikin has a day within family. You supposed to contribute, at least they help the daughter one way or the other. Look for work. You understand? Still look for work, still they support the daughter. Even in a clinic, what is they clinic? Not in their clinic. Your daughter not even supposed to open mouth tell and say, Mommy, I beg, help me they clean. You understand? You have to use your own wisdom. She need to use her own wisdom. Say, okay, may you still support it because since she know the work, she not get anything. Maybe say still take the support for the house. Okay, if not cleaning, at least lot of things they will be say if they use to the support.
Do it for the gift.
The pikin. You understand? You know me say na to carry pikin come for you don't carry pikin come for Africa. Oh, you don't everything don't finish. So now you want just go rely on that pikin. Say you not go do anything. That is you are like if they try to turn to liability. The pikin it gets stage where be say go reach the pikin go tire. You not go fit again. You understand? I make all these things now come they happen. You understand? And they're not going to feel control, which is going to lead to this extent. You understand? And thank God. When we just did a thank God saying I saw it reach. Because if not now, say maybe another thing will come the year now. Say this woman, as he carried that knife now, go stab man for the kind of place where you're not supposed to stab man. Another story we for the talk here. You understand? So the matter be say we will still use wisdom. And Mommy Queen, me go still tell you, you will still call that woman because I don't see you for in life several times like this. You even take the woman as your own person too. You will still call her, try to know wetin dey happen and try to settle down. The pikin now need to apologize to him mother no matter what. May he apologize to him mother.
Iyenukokomon, I go tell her may give me her daughter number. I will call two of them and know wetin dey sup.
Exactly.
If I never call Iyenukokomon once, if I want call Iyenukokomon, na so me quit they do my own. Not be as we take run Sharon on. Then me yawe me meniki. Anything make me to call Iyenukokomon, I must put a call across to her daughter.
Very important. Very important.
If Iyenukokomon And this is where she dey spend 1 minute for social media because I no go know when she will take the social media. Okay.
Hello,
Because
mommy.
if you again, I call her because he may don't go na here. But I will see what I can do. That one go be tomorrow.
Even the woman, the way I'm seeing her, she still need help. Psychologically, she still need help. Man understand me? Even the house have man understand we follow every platform, we all have she still need help.
Epa.
Man understand?
Epa want talk. Mama.
Okay, pardon, okay. Epa continue, domo sir.
Lady G, with the
year.
My menuta.
Come on me. Iyenukokomon.
Both are very wrong. Both of them are wrong.
Gay, Ohoni, the mind the frustration. Oh yeah, all this platform with the platform with the platform with the platform with the and a big video, man, and all we know. We have in where you have a thousand on your understand.
Yeah.
And de igwe igwe egwu ukpoghe no hiando ya we eriona erie ijie odo afipegije understand o katike yomo radie webo and the over tike ere no ye amoye ku lukino hin ya biwe and
beg because your voice okuna because if this woman they analyze people matter the thing they boo me. I want to hear this idiot. He might not escape him.
Okay.
La we pamade ni maime ni rubbish no kunata.
I know say you don't get respect if you can beat your mama to super if you want to jail now women. What am I expecting from you? Come and insult me. Your mama don't fair insult me. Today we call you beat her for me. You will feel beat your mama.
Oh, poor Monica, go. Not be say she dey fight for Iyenukokomon. Should they hear now? Una where they run up at that. Atu bege. Iyenukokomon yon manu enyo. Iyenukokomon yon manu en. Ubege.
Cause you know one thing when you dey talk,
now the two of them they beat so if they happy, not to say they fight for Iyenukokomon.
Make me take it to personal. For now, no matter how Nyanyegbe put, it's not personal. I will just say the way it is. I know they support your mother, but I will never support bad character. Even if your
you see, Monica, they happy
the same ungrateful attitude where they inside your mother. See the way you they give them to your mother.
They are careful not to where they go. They go. Where will not Bruce they are going to cancer.
2 minutes. She's regretting it. Look at her life. Scatter.
Till the analyze person. If you like, maybe
you go come on.
Monica no one. Monica have no work for entire life. The same way Iyenukokomon night time Monica. Shut up your mouth.
Like so much to be a married woman. Don't on social media.
The same way time Monica night Iyenukokomon. I'm your buyer zoba waivaking. I'm your buyer zoba Monica. I'm your buyer zoba wugwa ni Iyenukokomon. Iriya bagbalu waiva. We can correct a frustration when Monica fair correct your mistake. Una where they run up and down and they see when issue wa mure una dey not be saying they fight for the girl, rather she they mock the both of them, they rejoice over their downfall. Monica, where did one Bruce way be say he head? Bruce only twin Bruce now the sumo for head. Bruce only na manome pachoko. Ogwana gwe Monica. You not saying they happy. Each one meso go down. Walk back ya. The second character will go the get. Oh no, now meso go down. No, Lolo now meso go down. Iyenukokomon now meso go down. Me ati Rita mama meso go down. We me win a day. Ave maya nu wetinya meso go down. Yave yo bo. Ne yave win a ne. We no mu ame na me where you dey live on benefits. Iyamana donate we nu go ni donate no ze we UK. Now what bed you are Monica no gbeo. If they mock, if they happy. More yeah.
Forget to build.
Mommy queen. Yogi ma mommy queen now. Last your brother Bonati now mommy.
When they were insulting your mother,
because I know you like cake and I'm about to radio now. What's your bowo here? La
You don't
oyin
send
ma.
her to bed.
Ede Monica mwe bogbele
Madam
nege.
Queen, say Madam Queen, reduce swearing, abeg. Reduce
Why
swearing,
she
la
go dey cause
wo.
Iyenukokomon children?
Iyenukokomon mo be egia. Who I want blame for that one?
Ni baba na Iyenukokomon egbe.
Iyenukokomon wey no say na only one pikin she get. No be she let them call dey swear for her pikin enemy. Na she let them.
Now you get on. Now you and your mama. That your mama help you.
Monica any ebon Monica ten again ni yonya ne niye. No be that girl get am. My best way but pikin say dey lay us on the pikin. E not good. Unza Monica.
The boy get mama for Italy. He never beat his mama before. He never cursed his mama for your present before.
Abemo power sapi.
In the presence of that boy, you say your mama get what he do you. You carry hand, you fair hit your mama. Now your mama fair hit you. Your mama only hold you. We there you no rigo me menikpa. Rigo me meni ya mogwa. Egbe oko me oh na wasun. No be so you test start fights.
Na Monica
Your mama tell a parapa for come for your breast. Your boyfriend was smoking.
Monica. Make I tell una una fit dey fear o. Monica na see say me I don't do video test agara. Monica must say slippers in Yara motor. As you see me in analyzer now bio, I not said anybody papa for year. Even though na Monica that fall for my trap. Fucking night you are oh ya la wu la dia. Ogun ogbe Monica ofian wu. Monica na human being have been a goat name.
Useless. Now you
I want to that my phone take you. Calm down, no. The battery
will not be picking. Useless. It not be me. Say not.
Yeah, phone is not by your day. Oh no, battery run down.
Okay, mommy. Okay, I'll carry you come or send request. Okay. Why we go man no go on?
You know the kia. Why kia bunye bwe kia jo? So that boy go dey smoke it bo. Because na so na fair they do one. You go dey beat your mama. The boy no go get us say no. Let me separate her because you no want touch your mama breast because na your mama breast na dey. So when two people are fighting and one na your wife or your girlfriend, ọmọ kaya marry we gbejo water.
The craze.
So you no go fit come na making you. May your mama go comot go tie wrapper. Now your mama breast or wara you come naked. Even if your mama no even wear tight, toto make boom. He make boom. Toto make boom. Nyash make boom. That boy, he not go fit meet where young girl.
Nene baby papa ogun.
Not be say na something carry hit him mama o.
Baby papa no unza. Ame baby papa no season ni yo morije.
Igbim. Nine cause those things will not see you. Continuous blow, not be say one blow as from Victor Tokamo. Osa gbene obono ya gbe one blow up and black in the lane now. You don't fight where person go they blow your eye, blow one place for your body. You will almost give up.
Baby ghost. Papa no go justice so go baby papa. The Agaje, where was baby papa when mama? Okay. Shut up your mouth, make I talk one. Where was baby papa when Iyenukokomon pikin they fight? Where he dey? Just no justice for a baby papa. Oh, Monica, oh yeah, by baby papa.
Out of that, also go out.
Now the man separated.
Monica, where man?
I see that is not
from Victor audio. Yeah, your play man I separated.
Daniel,
finish.
Monica, where Iyenukokomon Yonisaya said you say a baby papa. Baby papa no enegbe. Can't you say get behind me, Iyenukokomon? I cannot see your nyash, I cannot see your breast. Iyenukokomon, them out of no boy agbe oigbe Monica because Monica na they talk where she sleep now. Me go get from Victor, I not say me I not to the one plan even hear from Victor. Me have heard there very Monica no more. Yeah.
So you know come where ya small Monica bo.
Well, never got time, ba, mommy Jaya go and analyze the video, man. I'll send a few, not let back. They don't analyze my video the way my people where they follow me, they know where they follow me. Now my analysis they 1 year.
Yeah, and we say low boy.
I can't tell Kwabienika. Only no be where she not to spend in orada. Obienika kwa you was your head no na ya bia da na that woman wey dey Spain. Irita mi yan. Me ni quick you do family me. Me ni na ewi yan mo do gba da we teme istame o teme no dion. E bubu ka ijo, iye mi oje o. Not be say I guess most Monica. Na my answer dey wear minigona obi obomute. How you go your family member ask me now go my auntie place. Yeah, no beg your door is auntie me. Yeah, I just more breast, some more mokite. They go do me. I go they wear your bubu gun. Because now blood they work for vain. Maybe you don't say Ghana no manner or piano ba. Do ya twe even though my egbe. Iya idoye kenoje iwa Vivienne carry me. No. It's just na ask where only woman. They wanna go greet my girlfriend. Her husband not there. So we just agwa nyan way. Not be say Iyenukokomon. E Monica outside ne boy agbe won gbe Monica. Iyenukokomon if na that one he cause fight because omoke do mo agege. I talk am. Something must be wrong somewhere. Not be say you pour water for ground, you not cleaner. Omoke do ri ata pepe oke do ri mo snapper mo agege ba e. E Monica or where to go uga said you say oviovuwe. Na other phone we be a baby papa boyfriend you know. Not be so. Ave small Monica when you can via your total ko une ere no ya jore party he said to a party ban where we party say slip of saga no verse ere no ya I no when I want you something to describe yeah hear me we give me okay be party no verse is just one make example ere no maybe ere no ya jo do a party for instance so okowa kia I'll fit the bunker. Who eti do via Monica no do via Ladian. Not be say you do there for where your pikin son day. They pack small minigona, small fugoni. Who do via Ladian. They say na those one na it trigger the girl brain. Anita, you are still here. When we will go able translate. Emma, Iyenukokomon.
Hero.
The trigger came from Sumonica. Iyenukokomon. Where I bought shot in the UK. Maybe a 20 pass on the Leweko Dori. Where we had those shot nika when you went to UK? Because me where kill we UK. Where you not really those shot nika when I don't go where. Your picking son not supposed to see your lap, mama, because you get nyash. You get breast. You're not supposed to wear Sumonica. Why George be? Why Joge Papa Jiro we? Ukedo Ariye Nikajo. Monica in Webog Boviokana. You want to analyze without swearing and laying cost for those children. Monica is rejoicing over the both of them because say that that's what
Lady Queen.
Mama.
What I thought so. Monica not supposed me to insult the Pikin.
Daughter, Iyenukokomon, Oma money, Oma make bovi.
The reason why we not get or more vision. I do have a bovi better now. Iyenukokomon, are you happy? Oh, you go now. We have a bovi way.
Monica, you see your life. Now they swear for Percy Piki again. Iyenukokomon more video gear. As they swear for your Piki na Iyenukokomon na I be na. I they do you. Iyenukokomon, to be honest, your son-in-law not supposed to see your lap. Your son-in-law not supposed to see your lap. You see your life. There's and you know say your pikin get flat nyash. That of where we make a na 50-50 no maybe or where we make a baby ni meme. Not be say you know say your pikin get flat nyash. And now see what it trigger the girl. Hey yeah.
How the mother go the jealous of his daughter. They write her for comment section. They know they pray make pikin better pass your own self.
They take it. But you understand? No need I am alright. If you don't, if mother don't reach waiting, papa, mama, family, or cat, everybody don't hide talk. Put it still reach our social media. One know when you might tell me and no way down.
Oh, boy.
if secret was good for the matter, if I no come after all, Iyenukokomon more than 1 month now we don't they ask am wetin do here. You not talk the eye, be don't declare they come. So if that is how God wants it, if I no come out.
Iyenukokomon de boli daughter they smoke. Oh yeah, that for be say ganja. Osa we say my you me warrior. Worry go me. I fit donate money for person, but if you dey smoke it, boy you dey boli. It book we maso anywhere ma o. You dey smoke it, boy you dey boli. Man 1 cent. If I don't know, it's fine. If I eventually know my money, you go give me back. You go give me back my money. You dey smoke, your daughter dey smoke. Your son-in-law, I be what my mungo jo of a smoky by a biakan by kan wake. Who waka ye smoky agbinya. And those cases not there for police file now. I made the only best statement in the police. Mona pray, may they not call me for a weakness. I go talk her. You get uwa sigma. I Kenya, Igo Yanuwa Kuame, UK, who a Fravito we are gile. Me and I put it to you now, you know, okay, Yasigbo. Una case go logo. Una way get any case, Mona quick go talk her now. Neither me we on Iyenukokomon Maya with Christmas. Because I am a motion you be where as I said the never common shape for a picking leg. Mat case now fit close. You dey see Una get it to
the look of 18, the woman be no one carry the matter on social media. To the look of 18, the woman be no one carry the matter across social media before. Because according to some people, they say they ask a question, you know, the woman not talk. So how come the matter can take on social media? Mommy Queen, they hear me?
I dey hear you.
I said to the look of 18, they said the woman not carry the matter on social media.
Now daughter, now he call from Victor.
Okay,
So
you see?
Frank Victor tried to settle the indoor. As they don't call America call social media. Not because Frank Victor, normally he said sweetie they go on, make it settle here and the mother and all that. So it is not going to go well with Frank Victor. I think say them can take carry and come out and no.
We go fight for
because the woman be no one carry and come out before. Wait me see for instance, Mommy Queen, as you talk yours now, you go try contact the daughter and the mother. So try to put things together for the both of them. Make the pikin still apologize to the mother, no matter what. You understand? Mother and mother. I mean na ije. No matter what, this thing don't happen. As I told before. The mother too need help psychologically. She need help because the way we see they see her, she need help. You understand? If it be say the woman don't still go look for work, if it be say the woman don't still go ask for, don't still go search for work, maybe not see, or maybe they'll still look at condition. Say no, say all this oyibo now. Not be everybody that they give work. Don't they give work to anybody anyhow?
She says she no one work. She says she no one.
On your back.
You never see somebody who say, I'll slap you, I'll pay 1,000 francs. You never hear them. Because if you say I must hit for a bro, you go damage record. Are you ready? Okay, do it. Do it. That's why the yes on me go say I go beat you finish, I go prison. Because any who I must to pay dearly for it. For touching another person. So you mean you will beat your mother that way? Your mother was looking very nagomane. Imote a dangote su bokubode. And you want to go scot-free. And now you want other people to come and pay for your abuse. Mr. Frank, do you think this is right? Osa is an abusive person because this is not the first time laying hand on her mother. Just that this one go out of waiting, she not feel control because of being able.
And even thank God saying I saw you wish. Then not be another thing come out, another result.
Don't let them hit him mama to this extent because Kokobiri we always separate. But if mama say, friend of your boy Bini, friend of Bini boy, see Bini boy, now Bini boy say,
if I don't know, make a mistake.
Friend there not a bourgeois.
Okay.
The Benin boy not to talk on my concern. Your petition very taliva.
Because most of you could be a mad in no mind. Yeah, me evil heart.
But again, we are ya wo no running or bijenye.
Ubege. Despa say Monica na yaw person. I said this before because now Iyenukokomon oga azege ni popo. Iyagwe egi yon kwe kokobiri. Iyenukokomon, you see your life. Eke trade nugwa mene kokobiri. Eke no vigwa na megbe okome maybe to viega pa ke kokobiri na. Oni ya eko ona eko pa ovie okwe kokobiri yegbere. Na you see because now the Benin boy wa agbiavera me. Wayaika. Because of don't buy can not toxic. Kokobiri must call the woman to order if now your wife they wrong. If now your boy must call the woman to order. So now you say me marry Bini because say you they bully people kokobiri. Me me kokobiri way. Nene Bini. Me nene Bini ve gbugwe a love life we self we me tamima. You're 37 years for abroad. We me fear kere love life. Ori me. He presenter, so maybe a guy presenter. I feel can't talk about my love life. But Iyenukokomon never one day can't tell us our love life. I don't know what kokobiri doing everything. Kokobiri. You don't pursue the kokobiri come nana. Oh, ya don't know ya muna ya go ya sigma kugbe. Maybe na igbo the guy ti entice you. Wayaga is sigba ne why do agbina we kere moje. Oh yeah, mo.
Na nine sick bonnet control hero. Control.
Bege. Iya fe ya wari ya be. Iya be. Aga edo deshen ye baby papa ni ogwe. Maybe
only wa deserve.
Aga deshen. Ima agbe petition yo. Omekene ni ave toseve ogwe ovi Iyenukokomon. Ave mwe ni anawe ya deye baby papa ni. Ubege wo Iyenukokomon. Avi bianugwa lele no yugwa ya.
You suppose no have that no settle the both side.
Exactly.
Suppose no kuya kugbe.
See, Ubege okwe will say Oyibo dey resist, Oyibo na resist. See, a fellow black, they call her kokobiri. The same African, they call her kokobiri.
Thank you, Brenda.
What
because
is
kokobiri ma, or maybe a sweeter a memo years back they make it they fight. Mama baby they
Oyibo can they call us that kind name will say Oyibo dey resist. But the girl was happy with the Zimbabwe person or the nationality which she did. Respect day. But she know what.
Una not see the way carry 30 million. Oh, Yahweh manage.
I don't talk for that one.
They will not talk to ya.
For Don Prince, so.
Don Prince never let it talk. You ever do a time now.
I thought see, I wish Iyenukokomon just let her daughter deal with that Zimbabwe person where she deal with.
Okay.